Hey everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, for the first time, why don't you subscribe? Become the newest member of the Slashed Squad. Here I review products you won't feel guilty buying and do looks you can actually recreate at home. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite eye makeup hacks to do when you're at home, you're doing your makeup, and things just seem to be going wrong. I definitely have those days too where I'm doing my makeup and it's just not turning out how I want. Products aren't acting the way they're supposed to be. Some days, I will admit, I get super frustrated and I just start clean. I just wipe everything off and start again because I feel like it's gone beyond repair. But other days, I have a little Tim gun on my shoulder telling me to make it work.
Make it work.
Whether you don't have time to start over or you've just already invested so much into your look, these eye makeup hacks will help you salvage your look and avoid makeup disasters. So let's just jump right into it. Sometimes I accidentally apply transition shades with a heavy hand and they turn out a little stronger than intended. Instead of continuing to blend with the same shade, which will only darken the color, dip into a lighter shade or one that's close to your skin color and use that to diffuse the shadow. Apply it in soft circular motions at the edge of the color you want to lighten up and you'll get a much softer and well-blended appearance. Uh-oh, did you get a little excited with your blending and now the shadow extends too far past your eye? Not a problem. Turn your look into a defined shape to salvage this makeup mishap. Wrap a makeup remover wipe around your index finger and wipe upwards following the angle of your eye shape. Now you've got a defined look that slays. Having trouble getting metallic shadows to look as good on your eye as they do in the pan? The trick to getting the intense effect is using a dense eyeshadow brush, meaning it's less fluffy and flexible. I like using my Sigma E20 for these kinds of shadows. You also need to apply in a patting motion, not swiping, to pack on the color and retain its intensity. Your fingers actually also work really well for these types of finishes. Trying to do winged liner with a pencil or twist up can be difficult. Here's a trick to get it looking more smooth and defined. Apply the liner thinly directly to the upper lash line first, stopping at the corner. Grab a thin pencil brush and drag it over the liner to smooth it out and define the edges. For the cat eye effect, apply the liner directly to the brush first and use that to create the wing. Uh-oh, my wings don't match. If you've done cat eyes, you know the struggle of having uneven wings. Here's an easy fix. Grab a full coverage concealer like the Physicians Formula Insta-Ready Concealer and a thin concealer brush. Lightly drag it along the bottom edge of the uneven liner. This will help reshape it and define it. Blend the concealer downwards until it's not noticeable anymore. Ever find yourself applying mascara and all of a sudden you have like 10 lashes stuck together and now it looks like you have one thick lash sticking out? Don't try to fix it with the mascara wand. That will only add more product. Grab a lash comb like this one from Tweezerman and detangle the clumps easily. Alternatively, you can grab disposable mascara wands at any beauty supply store and use them clean on the clumpy lashes. This will help separate them and take off excess product. Alright everyone, those were my 6 eye makeup hacks. If you learned something new today, or maybe you already knew one of these hacks, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, become a member of the Slashed Squad. If you've done that, high five, hit the bell icon so you know every time a new video goes live. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!